Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make drinks look fancy. We will start with the basics of garnishing. A simple slice of fresh orange or a vibrant lemon twist can instantly elevate any beverage. Consider adding a sprig of fragrant mint or a delicate edible flower for an extra touch of elegance. These small additions make a huge visual impact, transforming an everyday drink into something truly special and inviting for your guests. The right glassware is fundamental to a fancy drink's presentation. Select glasses that complement your beverage, like a tall highball for a refreshing spritzer or a wide coupe for a sophisticated cocktail. Furthermore, consider your ice. Large, crystal-clear ice cubes, perhaps 1 3/4 inches square, not only look stunning, but also melt much slower, preserving the drink's integrity and flavor for longer enjoyment. Creating visually striking layers in your drinks is a fantastic way to impress. The key is to pour denser liquids first, then carefully float lighter ones on top, perhaps using the back of a spoon. Aim for contrasting colors, like a deep red grenadine beneath a clear spirit, to make each layer pop. Don't forget the rim. A perfectly sugared or salted edge adds a professional and delicious finish. For those seeking next-level presentation, explore advanced garnishes. Use a channel knife to craft elegant citrus spirals or a zester for delicate ribbons. Dehydrated fruit slices, like a thin orange wheel, provide a sophisticated and long-lasting touch. For a truly theatrical experience, a smoke gun can infuse your drink with an aromatic cloud. Finally, a few drops of aromatic bitters on top can create beautiful patterns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.